Feet in the sand, ooh, so free, so free. Palm trees sway, just you and me. Waves are calling, it's begun. Living life on the island in the sun.
A spot. So at the moment, I'm just gonna do a Bible study while I watch the beautiful sunset go on. And then later we'll do a what's in my bag.
Feel the heat, just you and I. This is our perfect getaway fun. Forever on this island in the sun. Sipping on cool drinks, oceans near, so near, so near. Music carries, no worries here, right here. Laughs are shining, everyone, everyone. We're alive on the island in the sun. Dance, dance under the sky. Oh yeah. Feel the heat, just you and I. This is our perfect getaway fun. Forever on this island in the sun.
I just hopped in the water, the sun's up. And now let's do a little what's in my bag. Whoosha. What's in my bag? So first we got pretzels, spicy ahi roll from 7-Eleven, and then we went to the store yesterday. And then I got the goodies. Ooh. Frozen mango and frozen dragon fruit. Gross. I also got watermelon. Gross. Oh my gosh. I got boiled egg, but it cracked. Oh my gosh. This is pretty. For the chickens. And then yesterday I made me a turkey sandwich. For my books, I brought my Bible with my notes because I did a little Bible study. And then my journal. And then my journal. And then I think I'm gonna start reading this. I read Hunger Games, the first one, Catching Fire. I didn't read the Ballad of the Snake and Songbird because I'm more interested in Hamish's story other than Snow's. But yeah. Yes. Sunrise at the Weeping. And that's mainly all that's in my bag. And then sunscreen. SPF. So now I'm gonna chill. If you ever come to the beach and you go 7-Eleven, get the spicy ahi roll. So good. I woke up at 4 o'clock and literally walked over here because I wanted to see the sunrise, and I'm so happy that I did. So now that I can go to sleep and tan, you know. Remember to hydrate all the time. So now I'm going to read my book and as much pages as I get through until I fall asleep. So I'm gonna knock out and get a tan and get a more tan in, you know. I'm already brown, but you know, you can never be too tan, I guess.
Stars come out, sparkling bliss. A night like this, nothing will miss.
I just took a nap. Oh. I think I'm gonna hop back in the water. Sunscreen reapply. Jeez. Almost 9 o'clock. Took like an hour, 2-hour nap. See my books. I only made it to chapter 3, and so far I'm really liking it, you know. I really love the relationship with Hamish and his lover. Like, it's so good. Like, period. But yeah, I think I might swim later. I don't know. So right now, I'm just journaling a bit. So things that I put in my journal are just things that like, just journal entries like what makes you happy, what makes you feel alive. Just things to get to know me better, and yeah, really grounding things, getting to know myself better. Yeah, listening to local jams. Yes. Period. So yeah. And the sun's up there. The sun's up there, guys. So in the water like an hour ago. Laid in the sun for a bit, and now I'm journaling. Yes. Took another dip. And now I'm eating a turkey sandwich.